What is your automatic response when I say the word scripts, guys? You have that experience because a really bad salesperson used a script upon you once upon a time. You heard it, you knew it was a script, and what did you say? I never want to sound like that. How many of you guys have ever had a crappy salesperson? You're like, it sounds cheesy, scripted, salesy. It sounds like the person isn't prepared. But here's what I want you to understand. Write down a great script used by an amazing salesperson, a great script presented by an amazing salesperson. You do not even know that it's a script. You show up and you don't know it because he presents it so well. He creates certainty, and because he's got so much certainty, he has influence over you, just like you. Memorize, rehearse, and internalize your scripts. And how do you do that? Number one, you need to read it every day. Take one script, read it daily. Number two, then you need to recite it. Then number three, I'm gonna role play that every single day. Role playing is where I internalize it, I make it my own. Then number four, you need to really go out and use it in the real world. It's gonna take you 50, 100 conversation of using this script and coming back to the fifth R, which is report back to your coach, manager, leader, how it went so that they can support you, coach you, train you, work you through it. And if you wanna be able to actually increase the entire process, record it and listen to it daily.